Jessica Boreski here, Artistic Director at Living Arts of Tulsa. This year, for our New Genre Arts Festival, we have a really special fundraiser called the Artist Engagement Dinner. This fundraiser helps to promote and support the artists that are coming into Tulsa to do their work as well as do educational programming throughout the festival. What's exciting about this dinner is the fact that it'll be family-style seating right here in the Myers Gallery, and patrons will sit next to artists in order to talk more in depth about their practice, what they do, how they do it, and it'll all be inside an immersive video and sound installation done by visiting artist Bug Davidson from Austin, Texas. Not only that, the dinner will also be a collaborative meal from chefs from Amelia's, The Reserve at Grog's Green Barn, and Hope Egan of Red Thistle. And those chefs are collaborating to create a meal that's inspired by New Genre. Patrons will also get a chance to have 2 free drink tickets and again, meet and discuss the details of artist practices that are coming here for the festival for the first time. Tickets can be purchased at livingarts.org or through our Facebook site and Eventbrite. And if you're interested, you can also sponsor New Genre, and all of which of these are tax deductible.